Well, welcome everyone. Thanks for taking some time out of your busy schedule to watch this brief video. I'm Peter Mirzwa, President and Publisher at Law Bulletin Media. I'm joined by the editor of the Jury Verdict Reporter, my friend, John Kirkton. Like many of you, we've been working remotely since last year, primarily, and we're looking forward to being able to get back into the office, but we hope all of you are doing well and have adjusted to this new work environment.
Normally at this time of year, we would be looking forward to our annual Jury Verdict Reporter Trial Lawyer Excellence Award event, where we honor outstanding accomplishments of local trial attorneys. This unique gathering pulls together both sides of the bar plus the judiciary, and has grown to be the premier event for the trial bar. Part of what makes this occasion so special is that we are in person, having face-to-face conversations. With everyone's health in mind, we've made the difficult decision to postpone this year's award event until October 2022.
Yeah, while we are sad about having to postpone the Trial Lawyer Excellence Awards again, we are excited to be able to share some of the highlights from the 2021 JVR settlement report. It's included in the October-November issue of the Chicago Lawyer magazine. We usually recognize the top firm in the JVR settlement reports rankings at the Trial Lawyer Excellence Awards event. So we thought we'd use this video as a way to expand on that and highlight the top 10 of the 73 firms that made this year's list.
So topping this year's Jury Verdict Reporter Settlements Report ranking, with 12 Illinois settlements totaling $110.4 million, we are pleased to recognize the firm of Wise Morrissey, LLC. Rounding out the top 10 are Clifford Law Offices, with 29 cases totaling $96.5 million. Salvey, Shostak, and Pritchard, with 19 cases totaling $95.4 million. Power Rogers, with 28 cases totaling $91 million. Romanucci and Blandon, with 11 cases totaling $67.7 million. Motherway and Napleton, with 17 cases totaling $27.9 million. Hassan and Powell, with one case for $24.5 million. Taxman, Pollock, Murray, and Beckerman, with 19 cases totaling $22.2 million. Zukowski, Rogers, Flood, and McCardle, with one case for $19 million. And Levin and Perconti, with 22 cases totaling $17.1 million.
Well, congratulations to these firms and their impressive accomplishments, and to other firms joining the rankings this year. As we developed this year's report, we noticed that the total number of settlements, 502, and their total value of $812 million are the lowest numbers in the last 10 years. This will come as no surprise, as we have all experienced the effects of the pandemic, particularly with regard to litigation delays. Only 15 firms reported settlements totaling in amounts in excess of $10 million, which is a 42% reduction from 2020. I do encourage you to check out the latest edition of the Chicago Lawyer magazine, which includes all of our findings in the JVR settlements report and a list of all the firms, as well as interesting trend information.
Speaking of trends, in our review of certain case categories, we noticed some interesting ones. Let's take a look at just one category: work injuries. The report includes 29 work injury settlements, totaling over $220 million. This is the highest total for work injury recoveries in the last 10 years, and is 175% higher than the 2020 totals. Leading the way was a $90 million settlement that was secured by the Wise Morrissey firm for a plaintiff who lost both arms to amputation after suffering severe work-related burn injuries.
Yeah, John, and also notable is the fact that both the average and median amounts for all reported settlements in the report declined significantly. Again, no surprise. Your average settlement fell to 1.6 million in 2021 from just under 2 million last year, while the median declined from $685,500 last year to just $500,000 in 2021. Yet, despite these declines, several settlements established new jury verdict reporter records in this reporting period.
The report also features overall statistics for cook versus non-cook settlements, as well as the medical malpractice case category. Finally, with the court's increased use of mandatory pretrials, mediations, and arbitrations to keep cases moving toward resolution, understanding the value of cases for settlement is essential. We want to encourage you to use the Jury Verdict Reporter database of over 60,000 cases in lawyer court to find persuasive comparable cases to obtain the best outcome for your clients. Also, as you prepare for trial, you'll appreciate how lawyer court's expert witness functionality enables you to find experts by specialty, easily linked to any reported cases in which they've testified, and see for whom they've testified, when, which side, and the trial outcome.
Well, once again, we want to thank you for sharing some time with us, and we look forward to when we are able to meet in person and raise a glass to celebrate the unique accomplishments of our trial lawyer community. In the meantime, we encourage you to attend our 12th annual Symposium with the Judges, which will be held virtually this year on November 18th. You can learn more about the program and register on our website, lawbulletinseminars.com. With that, I want to ask you to all take care and stay well.